Hello everyone, my name is Jinyoung Park and this is my data analysis with Python project. My topic is cryptocurrency market data analysis. To describe my project, with my personal interest of decentralized system, which is blockchain, I had interest in cryptocurrency market too. So to briefly explain cryptocurrency use decentralized control as opposed to the centralized digital currency, which is banking systems. The centralized control of each cryptocurrency works through distributed ledger technology, typically blockchain. So this serves as a public financial transaction database. Actually, Bitcoin is first released the open source of software in 2009, and this is considered the first decentralized cryptocurrency. Since then, there are over 4,000 cryptocurrencies have been created in the market. For my project, I would like to use pandas for data manipulation and analysis, NumPy for multidimensional arrays and metrics. For the visualization, I would like to use Matplotlib and Seaborn. For the data source, the input is cryptocurrency price data, CSV format from 2013 to 2018 June from Kaggle, and the output will be Python code for the data analysis. For the project, I got the 3 questions and problems for the project. The first is how is the trend of the digital currency. The second is how's the price trend of top 10 currencies. I'd like to focus more on 5 top currencies. The last one is the rank for the price is the same as market cap and transaction volume. Those 3 questions that I'd like to find out through this project. Even though there was bubble of cryptocurrency at the beginning of this year, which is 2018, I still believe there are a lot of potential for cryptocurrency as an example of blockchain technology. For my project, this is my workflow chart. Since I use Python, I decided to use Jupyter Notebook and search the data source and then read the data set into the Jupyter Notebook and explore the data and then check the data information and then find out the useful columns. And then lastly, for the visualization and get the insights from the data analysis. Before moving on the further data analysis, this is very useful tool for brief data check. I usually use a lot, especially data info, describe, and head and tail, and shape, and also the checking the date. Data info is a summary of columns count and its data type. They describe as data showing the data description in the numerical data information. And the head is very quite useful. I use head a lot. And this is checking the data set, top 5 list in the data set. Opposite the head, there is a tail. Tail is showing the bottom 5 in the data set. This is how to use the shape. Basically, shape is showing the how many rows and columns in the data set. So this first is the how many rows and this is how many columns in the data set. So basically showing the data set size. And this is checking the date, which is sometimes quite useful, especially if I want to check what is the oldest date and what is the latest date in this data set, and this is quite useful too. As I already mentioned, I used that head, check the top 5 list, and assign the data frame into the data dt, and then dot head and parentheses, and it's showing the top 5 rows. So in this head, you can see what is the column name and what kind of information data is inside. So this is just slug symbol and name. This is for the name of cryptocurrency, and this is the date, and this is rank, current rank, and this 4 row is for the price: open, high, low, and close, and the volume, and this is market cap, and close ratio, and spread. Spread is the difference between high price and low price. As you can see, the market there, the number is quite big. So later on, I would like to divide it by billion for the analysis. So this is page for the making the data readable, more readable. So to convert the data to real date and change the unit of market and volume. So I divide it by the billion. So it's gonna be the numbers will be shown in a small number. And to prepare one data frame where we will observe closing prices for each currency, use the wide format, use the group by. And this is showing only top head. So this slide shows what is the top 5 cryptocurrency in 2018 according to the market cap. So this is data group by months.last. This is showing the last entry for each month. So to show this top 5, we order ascending and then ascending order, but it's fourth, and then showing the top head and then bar chart. The next level is market cap billion USD, and then title is top 10 currency by market cap. So first Bitcoin, the second top is Ethereum, and Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and EOS. Let's look at closely the top 5 currencies. So I only wanna see the top 5. So this is top 5 for the chart. The price per unit currency. Top 5 group by date and name, and also close the price and the mean, and then showing this price. Since the Bitcoin price is too high compared to other currencies, the one of like EOS, for example, doesn't really show in this chart. So here, I want to see from 2017 to 2018, since all the changes, big changes, is happening after 2017. So as you can see, the first is the Bitcoin, and then Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and then third is Ethereum and Ripple and EOS. Still, you cannot see the EOS price. This is rank by market cap per currency. So when you change here market billion, it's showing 2017 to 2018 the market cap. Still, Bitcoin market cap is the highest, and then Ethereum, and then Ripple. How about the transaction volume? The first is a lot of transaction volume is happening in Bitcoin and Ethereum and EOS. Even though EOS price and the market cap is still smaller than other currency like 4 and 5, for some reason there's a lot of transaction volume is happening in EOS lately. So after this analysis, I want to answer for the question. So first question was how the trend of digital currency. The digital currency market movement has been started around 2017 according to the market cap and transaction volume. So it's almost certain to say everything is increasing between the end of 2017 and the beginning of the 2018. So the hype of cryptocurrency is real, not only for Bitcoin, but it's safe to say we can pick almost any of these top 10 currencies and they might just raise and increase the same way, but not the same rate as Bitcoin. The second question, how's the price rank for top currency? This is according to this data set as of 2018 June. The first is Bitcoin, second is Bitcoin Cash, third Ethereum, and fourth Ripple and EOS. And with my personal interest, I got the record for October 28, top 5. It was Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, and Jetcash. So actually 4 and 5 was changed by price rank, and this is the latest. I got this data from the coin market cap. So first is Bitcoin, second is Maker, third Bitcoin Cash, for Ethereum, 5 Bitcoin SV. So a lot of happening is going on, except the first Bitcoin. The Maker is became like very high rank in terms of the price after Bitcoin. And also you can see there's a lot of decrease in price in general this digital currency market. So it's almost half. And the last one is the rank for the price is the same as the rank of market cap and transaction volume. The rank for the three factors, price for currency, market cap, and transaction volume, are not always the same except Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the number one in terms of price per unit, market cap, transaction volume. Ethereum is usually mainly the second top in the market. However, still there's a lot of changes between second to 5. Especially EOS transaction volume has been drastically increased after April 2018. This is I just showing you the price, market cap, transaction volume. Only Bitcoin is the first top, and the other ones keep changing, even among the top 5. Additional insight and improvement. I definitely see the potential of digital currency, and if we carefully invest among top 10 currency, it is still considered less risky than other newer currency. Especially these days, the price of the cryptocurrency is very low. So if you have extra budget, I think it is not bad time to invest. At least if if you want to invest, like a safe top 5 or top 10 among those category, I think still there is some potential. And for my project, my improvement is if I get more recent data to do more accurate data analysis. So in the future, if I can get the latest data set, I would like to analyze this data set one more time. Thank you for listening. I really enjoyed this project since I always had some interest about this cryptocurrency market, and from this project I learned a lot. I also got the insight from the project. Thank you for listening.